Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can access the color picker tool for elements, components and shapes on your in your web design on Penpot. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the designer of the given web design file here on Penpot, select the given page from that list of layers here and click into the given shape, either here on the left hand side in that list of layers or here on the canvas. Or if you have inserted a board and the element is placed inside the board like this, you can select the given shape as well. So as you can see, the color of that shape of that rectangle is gray. You can change that by clicking into the fill color box here. And what you want to do, guys, is pick a color from there. However, if you don't want to do this but would like to copy the color of another component or element here on your display, you may do that by using the color picker tool here in the top left. Then you will see that that icon, and now click into the given field and you will see the preview here, right? So let us copy the color of the background, which is white or red, color of that frame or board, so that they align in color, and you can still change the color here afterwards. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.